Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. In today's video, we'll be making tasty and healthy baked fruit and nut granola. Not only that, I have included 3 fun ways to serve this healthy and wholesome breakfast. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. To make the granola in a large bowl, I have taken 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, half cup of chopped cashew nuts, half cup of chopped almonds, half cup of sunflower seeds, half cup of pumpkin seeds, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, half cup of chopped pistachios, half teaspoon of salt. These are the dry ingredients that we'll be using in our granola mix today. You will have to use old-fashioned rolled oats for this recipe. Instant oats cannot replace the old-fashioned oats in this recipe. Now I am adding half cup of naturally sourced honey. Instead of honey, you can use jaggery syrup as well. Now is the time to add in our fat. I have used 1/4 cup of desi ghee or clarified butter. Instead of ghee, you can use virgin coconut oil or olive oil or any other flavorless vegetable oil in this recipe. I have used MCT oil in making granola before. Honestly, that was my favorite. If you do not like the flavor or smell of ghee, do skip the ghee in your recipe. But of all fats, ghee has the best nutritional value. So if you want maximum nutritional benefits from your granola, I recommend adding ghee to your granola. After mixing all the ingredients well, I am simply transferring the granola mix onto a parchment lined baking tray and spreading it evenly onto the tray. I'll be baking this granola in oven. If you want to follow a recipe that doesn't use an oven, I have that video as well on the channel. I'll link it in the description for you. This is it for the manual effort that you will have to put in to make this granola. Just bake this in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. It may take more or less depending on how crisp you want your granola to be and your machine as well. After each 10 minutes, pull out the tray from the oven and mix or stir the contents of the tray so that the oats and nuts will get evenly baked. As I've said earlier, this will not take a lot of effort to make, but you will be having a healthy breakfast option readily available to you for up to 7 days after you make it once. I've let it bake for 30 minutes or until the granola turned golden brown in color. Now take it out of the oven and let it cool down completely. After 20 to 30 minutes, the granola has cooled down completely now. Now is the time to break the granola if it has formed any lumps while baking. Just scrape the parchment paper and gather everything from the corners to the center. Break any bigger lumps with your fingers. Now is the time to add in our dry fruits. Here I have taken half cup of black raisins and half cup of cranberries. As we have already used honey, and the black raisins and cranberries will give the desired sweetness to the granola. If you don't want it to be too sweet, then skip on the black raisins or cranberries, whichever is not available to you. Store it in a airtight container for up to 7 to 10 days. For serving suggestion 1, I am making chia and apple granola. For that, in my serving bowl, here I have 120 ml of skimmed cow milk. I have added 2 to 3 teaspoons of chia seeds to the milk. Give this a good mix and leave it for 10 minutes. Instead of dairy, you can always use vegan milk in this. After 10 minutes, the chia seeds will swell up a little, absorbing the liquid. Now is the time to add in our granola mix. I have added 4 tablespoons of granola, mixed it roughly and topped it with some chopped apples. This little bowl is now packed with all the nutrients that you will be needing and even more. It tastes delicious. This is fiber rich and rich in proteins as we have added chia seeds in this recipe. You can have this as breakfast or pre-workout or post-workout meal. For second serving suggestion, I am making flax pineapple granola. For that, in a bowl, I have taken 120 ml of skimmed cow milk. You can use vegan milk instead of dairy. Add 1 tablespoon of milled flax seeds and mix this well. Now add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of granola. Give it a good mix. Throw some diced pineapple pieces and enjoy. Flax seeds and chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that aid in weight loss and are rich in fiber and proteins. Needless to say, it tastes delicious as well. For third serving suggestion, I am making choco banana smoothie granola. For that, in a blender, I have taken 1 semi-ripe banana, 120 ml of skimmed milk, 1 teaspoon of raw cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. You can use almond butter or Nutella instead of peanut butter. Make a thick smoothie and to the smoothie add 3 to 4 tablespoons of granola. Throw in some diced bananas. This breakfast is gonna taste like a dessert. It is so delicious and is very healthy. This is rich in proteins as we have added peanut butter and is rich in antioxidants because of the raw cocoa powder. If you have weight loss or healthy eating in your New Year resolution list, this is one recipe that must be a staple in your kitchen now. So I hope you'll try this one out and let me know in the comments how it goes for you. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye!